Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right in Settings, open Accessibility then Spoken Content. First, turn on Speak Selection so you can select Text and tap Speak. Next, enable Speak Screen to read full pages with a 2-finger swipe down. Once done, choose a voice and adjust speaking rate, faster for skimming, slower for comprehension. Make sure you have an internet connection for some higher quality voices and download any preferred voice in the voice settings before continuing. You now practice selecting and speaking. Tap and hold a word, drag the selection handles to cover the sentence or paragraph you need, then tap Speak from the pop-up menu. For entire articles or web pages, use a 2-finger swipe down from the top to trigger Speak Screen. Controls appear for pause, skip, and speed. If Speak is grayed out, confirm spoken content is enabled. Once comfortable, try adjusting punctuation pronunciation by changing the voice or finish by customizing voices and troubleshooting if speech fails. In spoken content, download a higher quality voice for offline reliability and test different voices to find natural pronunciation. You can tweak speaking rate to improve clarity. If audio doesn't start, check volume and Bluetooth outputs. Make sure sound isn't routed to AirPods or car stereo. If problems persist, toggle spoken content off and on, then restart your iPhone. This resolves most software glitches quickly, saving time and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.